Touch my hand. Another way. Another way. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Nubaid and
This is Riyad.
so
Today I'm going to teach you how to learn hoverboard very easy and simple way. Okay?
hoverboard.
Yeah. Keep in your mind, it's very easy and simple. Okay? Don't think it's too much complicated way. Okay?
Okay.
So this one, when you press the front side, it's going to the forward, right?
Yeah.
When you press the back, it's coming to backward. Okay. So think about my hand is your feet. Okay. When you press the down side, it's going to the up, forward. Okay. So when you press back, it's going to down in backward, right?
Okay.
So
I get it.
look.
I think so.
Okay. So it's going down, it's come up, forward.
It's like a
Then
vacuum.
start. When it start, it's made even. Okay. Balance your body. Okay. Go back. So look like that. So I'm going to
How about turning?
turning is like this good question. So turning is when your right feet is going down and then is going like that. Okay.
So,
Then another side, same thing.
so
Reverse
this is
way.
360.
Yeah. Another. Listen first. Another is the reverse thing. Okay. Like that.
Oh.
Like that. Like that.
And you can also do the other
Turn
two.
around, put the full turn around, okay? Another side like that. And go forward. So another very important thing in hoverboard, when you take off, we have to have from back side, like that. Don't take front side, okay?
Okay.
Listen, if you the front side, anything could be happen.
You can make
Could
it light.
yeah, wait, right. So back side like that.
So now
Good.
I'll do
It's your turn. Come. Your first day, okay? Yeah. Okay. Go. Make sure. Make your body even, okay? Oh. Okay. Okay. Turn around.
So this time we kind of sped up the video, but because it was taking time. But here my dad was teaching me how
I
to.
got hard time now, boy.
But here was my dad was teaching me how
But
to go back and forward.
But you are a very quick learner. You did very good job.
Yeah.
It's
So
the first day.
my dad was teaching me, and then I was looking because like you were showing.
Our next student is Fazan, okay?
Yeah. Next one is.
Relax, okay? Relax. Okay, relax. Touch my hand. Another way. Another way. Okay. Come forward. Okay. Okay. Okay, very first day. It's okay. First day, okay?
Okay.
I'll teach you within 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, go back side. Take off. Back 1 feet. Another one. That's okay. Bye.